Hi, good evening everyone. This is Karine of Dives PH Academy. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button, click the notification bell para magkaroon kayo ng mga updates sa aming free trainings about freelancing and virtual assistant. Tara, magsimula na tayo. Lesson 7, Effective Ways to Build Your Online Presence. Nowadays, napaka-dali nang gawin to. Since we are living in a social media generation, napakadali nang maghanap ng trabaho, madali nang maghanap ng kliyente, at napaka-accessible ng lahat through internet. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you on how to use social media as a client magnet. Okay? So, of course, for you to become a client magnet, you need to have an online presence. But before that, you need to know what online presence is. The online presence can be defined by how easy it is to find a brand or a company online. So if you're going to connect it to a certain person, your online presence will help you to, to go up doon again sa mga iba pang VA or freelancer. It's important to build your brand because as a freelancer and VA, your client will be aware that you are offering those kind of services. Okay? So, how to improve your online presence? There are certain ways to build your online presence. The first one, which is you can use this for cold email or email marketing, is to build an email list. One of the top ways to build your online presence is to create and grow an email list. So you may send like update about the sample of your work via email to your potential customer, or you may do it in a weekly, bi-weekly, or on a monthly basis para hindi ka nilang ilagay sa spam. So where will I get email list? You can get it in a different website ng mga target client mo. Halimbawa, your target client are CEO in the USA. You'll just go to their website and get their email address. Then, ilagay mo yun lahat sa isang Excel file, and then you may send it via Gmail, or you can use MailChimp. Okay? The second one, and how to improve your online presence, is to create value. You can post it on your social media account or Facebook page if you have one. You can create posting that is related to their industry. For example, your target client are coaches. Of course, you're going to create posts about coaching and the importance of coaching. If your target client is e-commerce industry, in the e-commerce industry, you can create posts about e-commerce industry. Okay? So, para malaman nila na you are a person who can provide service in their industry. Okay? So, of course, you can do it every day, twice a week, or every week. Depende sa'yo. Pero ako, I recommend you to do it every day because hindi lang para sa online presence mo, it will also help you to improve your skills sa graphic design and social media. Okay. The third one, be active online. Ito yung nagiging problema ng ibang VA. Some of them don't like social media because of the privacy issue. I will respect their choice. Of course, if you're active online, there will be more chances that you will find a client. And of course, if you're active online, makakakita ka ng mga prospect client mo doon sa Facebook, sa Instagram, sa LinkedIn, at sa Twitter. Okay? So, connect with people in your target industry. So, halimbawa, ang yung target industry is e-commerce, you can join in different Facebook group on na nagki-cater ng e-commerce sa certain country. You can also connect or add them on Facebook. Pero medyo ingat lang tayo sa ways na to kasi may mga mahigpit na Facebook group. As much as possible, don't promote your services on those group you might, reported and it may lead your account to be deactivated. Na nangyari sa akin yan, I joined different Facebook group sa real estate and I promoted my service. Then, ayun, deactivate kasi nare-report yung account ko. So don't overpost. You may just send them a PM. You can just send 20 PM per day or 10 PM per day para hindi masyadong mainit ang mata sa'yo ni Facebook. LinkedIn, you can connect to the people in the certain industry. You can connect to the people na may kinalaman sa e-commerce in the different countries. Para pag once na-follow ka nila, they will see your post and they may contact you if they need your service. So Instagram, yes, you can connect to those people in the industry as well. Instagram is napakalaking platform din yan. Based on my personal experience, I get my client then on Facebook and LinkedIn, aside from Upwork and onlinejobs.ph. Yes, you can use those platforms kasi most of the client is legit. Magiging struggle lang natin if we're using social media, yung legitimacy ng mga client. Hindi natin kasi alam lahat if the client na nandoon ay legit. That's why you have to conduct your investigation. You should ask them if they have a website, their full name, and if you're going to meet them, of course, you should call them via video chat. Don't close deal via chat. Ako, pwede naman yun, pero ako, medyo, para sa akin, dangerous yun. Kung through chat lang kayo nag-close deal. Kasi baka malay mo, hindi siya magbayad si client or scammer siya, di ba? Wala tayong habol doon. Alright. So, next, have social media presence. So, like what I mentioned, you can post, you can connect to different people that is connected to your industry. As a VA, kailangan you have a social media presence. You can post your daily update, yung mga activities mo as a VA, yung mga works mo as a VA and freelancer, yung achievement mo, yung mga client testimony, you can post it there. Para once they see your account and they know that you are a VA or freelancer, sila mismo lalapit sa iyo, magme-message sa'yo, mag-PPM sa iyo, which is nangyari sa akin. I think in a week, merong 2 hanggang 5 na client na nag-PPM and they ask for my services. Of course, hindi naman lahat na nag-PPM sa akin will consider my client. Kasi syempre, hindi naman lahat ay gusto yung rates ko. Okay? So at least, may mga lumalapit. Hindi ikaw yung naghahabol, sila yung lumalapit sa'yo. So, of course, you may also create websites if you can't. If you can create an online portfolio, that's fine. You can just, offer it or post it on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or Instagram para once they click your website or portfolio, they will see your works. And number 7, produce content na may value sa kanila. You can create in YouTube or create graphics or videos na magbibigay ng value dun sa mga people na nasa industry na yon. Kasi the more online presence you have, the more chances na yung mga client na connected, na add mo sa Facebook, nag-friend mo sa Facebook, or connected sa Instagram, if you update, of course, sabihin na siguro legit tong taong to kasi updated yung mga social media niya and he really showcase what services and what the things that he can do for my business. Okay? So next, show up where your audience is. So like what I mentioned, you may connect them via Instagram, via LinkedIn, Twitter. Okay? So, of course, if you have a strong online presence, there are more chances that the clients will not ignore you because they know that you're legit. Okay? So, update your social media account. Kailangan update kasi baka naman isipin na scammer ka kung hindi updated yung ano mo. Nag-offer ka ng VA but your account doesn't like it you're a VA. So what I'm trying to say is you have to update your Facebook or LinkedIn cover that includes your services. And you may also do it on Instagram. Instead of your picture, just put all the services that you can provide. Update your employment status. Huwag niyong ilagay doon, work as a cook in Krusty Krab or sa Puso ng Mahal Ko. Siyempre, kung si client, tinignan, piniem mo siya, hey, I'm looking for client, you might need my service. Then when he check your profile, ang nakalagay doon, cook at Krusty Krabs, tingin mo ba ay maniniwala si client sa'yo? Of course not. You don't have reliable social media account. And for sure, they won't believe in you if you don't have those things. You can also update your bio, like in Facebook, in description mo, in Instagram or in LinkedIn. Okay? So it will really show that you are a reliable person. Okay, let me just show you an example of, I'm going to show you my Facebook account. So actually right now, ang nakalagay ng profile dito yung tungkol sa business ko. But before, almost ganito rin yung ginawa ko. But ang nakalagay lang before is cold calling, lead generation, social media, general VA. Yun lang yung nilagay ko dito sa aking ano. And then, Karina Perio, real name. Then I don't have this one. Tapos yung bio ko, hindi ganito. I am a real estate virtual assistant and a cold calling specialist. Yun lang yung bio ko dati. Pero ito kasi medyo, since business na nga yung in-offer ko, mas naka-ugnay siya sa business. Then if you can see my job, nilagay ko dito yung mga client ko. So dito, before nilagay ko kasi is cold calling specialist at yung company. Then social media manager at, so since I'm running a business na iba na yung nakalagay. So former real estate marketing specialist, so cold calling specialist ako dito. And I'm the one who manage VAs dito sa client na to. Okay? So regarding sa place, it's up to you if you will want to update it. But in my case, for business purposes, I want to update my location. Pero kasi the purpose to update your location is may mga Facebook group kasi na pag nalaman nilang you're not from the US, they won't approve your request. Okay, you may also hide na lang yung location mo kung medyo ano ka. All right, so let me show you my Instagram. My LinkedIn. Okay, sorry, medyo mag-show pa ako dito habang nag-load pa. Try natin yung ito. Yung isa sa mga BA ko, yan yung kanyang ano. See? Ang kanyang in-offer is social media management and marketing. And she posted some of her work here. And any other BA-related post. Okay, shared post siya. Okay, yung mga BA experience niya, pino-post niya rin. Yan, this one. You can, yung mga conversation ni client, just make sure lang na i-hide nyo yung identity ni client para for confidentiality purposes. Okay? So, let's have LinkedIn. This is my LinkedIn account. As you can see, my LinkedIn page. So, mas siya, helping business owner to get more leads through real postal business. It's more on the business part na. Then my sample work, ito. Yun yung mga sample work ko before. Then my post and my experiences. Okay. And some recommendation. You may also ask your friend or colleagues to send you recommendation, kapalit ng recommendation yun sa kanya. Para once na tinignan ni client yung account mo, there are some recommendation and they will know that you are a reliable person. So let's have Instagram. Okay, Instagram. Shucks. Medyo nagkakaproblema ang Instagram ko. Hold on. Siguro ito lang muna. Hindi ako maka-access ng Instagram ko ngayon. But anyway, this is about social media presence or online presence. It's really important for you to become a client magnet. If you have questions, just comment down below. If hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, baka naman pa-subscribe, pa-share na rin, pa-like na rin para, alam mo yun, mas marami pa akong energy para motivation na mag-create ng video. Join to our Facebook group, Work from Home Professional Philippines. That's all for tonight. Bye.